Yes, welcome to biology online class from the Gopi Krishna High School. Today we will discuss about the human digestive system. Yes, what is the topic? Human digestive system. You know what is the digestion? Yes, what is the digestion? The process of breaking down complex food molecules into simple food molecules is called a digestion, or conversion of complex food molecules to simple food molecules is called a digestion. In human being, there is a specialized system for the digestion of food is called as a digestive system. What is the digestive system? The organ system which is help in the digestion of the food is called as a digestive system. Yes. This digestive system, human digestive system, look like this. Human digestive system. It is consist of two parts. One is the alimentary canal. Second one is the digestive glands. There are two main components or two parts in the human digestive system. One is the alimentary canal. This alimentary canal is also known as gut. Alimentary canal is also known as gut. And the second part is the digestive glands. Digestive glands. Two parts are there. Alimentary canal and digestive glands. Yes. Alimentary canal, look here. From mouth to up to anus. From mouth to up to anus. This entire is the alimentary canal. This entire is the alimentary canal. What is the alimentary canal? In the human digestive system, from mouth to up to anus, there is a long halo and coil tube that is called as a alimentary canal, which is about 9 meters long. 9 meters long. What is the length of the alimentary canal? 9 meters. Yes. This alimentary canal has several parts. They are the mouth, oral cavity or buccal cavity, pharynx. Next, esophagus. Esophagus means food pipe. Stomach. Next, look here. Small intestine. Small intestine. Large intestine. Rectum. Last one is the anus. Rectum and anus. Yes. What are the parts in the alimentary canal? Mouth, buccal cavity or oral cavity. Next one is the pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These all are the parts in the human digestive system. Yes, what is the first part? The first part in the alimentary canal is a mouth. Yes, mouth. Yes, what is the mouth? Mouth is the only opening part of the digestive system. Mouth is the only opening part of the digestive system. Look here. Taking of food into the mouth is called as an ingestion. Yes. What is the ingestion? Taking of food into the mouth is called as a ingestion. Mouth is the only opening part of the digestive system. Taking of food into the mouth is called ingestion. Look here. Inside the mouth there is a space or cavity. This is called a oral cavity or buccal cavity. What is the oral cavity or buccal cavity? The space or cavity that present in the mouth is called a oral cavity or buccal cavity. Yes. What are the components in the oral cavity or buccal cavity? Yes. There are three parts in the oral cavity or buccal cavity. What are the three parts? Look here. Teeth, tongue, salivary glands. Yes, salivary glands. There are three parts in the human oral cavity or buccal cavity: teeth, tongue, salivary glands. Yes. First we will discuss about the teeth. Yes. First we will discuss about the teeth. Yes. Teeth. Yes. How many teeth are present in adult human being? There are about 32 teeth in the adult human being. Yes. Each tooth is made up of a hard substance is called dentine. Yes. What is the chemical substance present in the teeth? Yes. The chemical substance present in the tooth is a dentine. Tooth is made up of dentine, or teeth are made up of dentine. Yes. So it is harder than bone also. That's why by the help of our teeth we break down even bones also, because teeth are made up of dentine. It is the hardest substance than bone also in the human body. Which is the hardest substance in the human body? Dentine. Yes. Where these teeth are attached? Teeth are attached to the jaw bones. Look here. This is the jaw bone. We have the two jaws. Yes. This is the one jaw. Yes. This is the another jaw. We have the two jaw bones. Yes. Look here. Yes. This is the arrangement of teeth. Look here. The arrangement of teeth are same both on the upper jaw and lower jaw. What type of teeth are present on the upper jaw? On the lower jaw also same type of teeth are present. Look here. These are the teeth present on the lower jaw. On the upper jaw also same type of teeth are there, like this. What type of teeth is there on the lower jaw? Same type of teeth on the upper jaw also. Yes, like this. What type of teeth are present on the lower jaw? Same type of teeth on the upper jaw also. Like this, teeth are present in the yes. In this way, teeth are there on the upper jaw. Yes. Look here. The arrangement of teeth are same both on the upper jaw and lower jaw. Look here. Yes. Yes. Look here. This is the jaw, and this one is the jaw. Yes. This is the lower jaw and the upper jaw. Look here. The arrangement of teeth are same both on the upper jaw and the lower jaw. What is the total number of teeth are there? 32 are present. All these teeth are divided into 4 categories based on the shape and the function. Look here. They are incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Premolars and molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Yes, 4 types of the teeth are there. Yes, I will keep the number on the teeth. Look here. Where I will keep, on which tooth I will keep the number 1. All the teeth are incisors. Yes, these 4 are the incisors, and this one is the canine, and the third one is premolar, fourth one is molar. Yes. Yes. Look here incisors. On the upper jaw also same. First, what are the teeth? Incisors. What are the incisors? The teeth which are present at the front portion of the mouth are called incisors. The teeth which are present on the front portion of the mouth. Look here. These are the teeth which are present on the front portion of the mouth are called incisors. How many incisors are there? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the lower jaw and 4 on the upper jaw. There are 8 incisors are present. 8 incisors are present. Yes, what is the shape of the incisors? Look here. Incisors are wide and sharp edges. Yes. Wide and sharp edges. Yes. Wide and sharp edges. You know what is the function of these incisors? Scissoring the food or cutting the food or biting the food. Scissoring, cutting or biting the food. Scissoring, cutting and biting the food. Yes. Yes. Suppose I will give you letter. How can you cut that? By the help of I will give this chapter. We can cut by means of incisors. We can use the incisors. You know, these incisors are well developed in the herbivorous animals like cows and buffaloes. Cows and buffaloes. What are the second type of the teeth? The second type of the teeth are canines. Look here. 1, 2. On the upper jaw also 1, 2. There are 4 canines. 2 on the upper jaw, 2 on the lower jaw. 4 canines are present. Yes. What is the shape of the canines? Look here. Canines are round and sharp edges. Round and sharp edges. Canines are round and sharp edges. Yes. Sharp edges. Round and sharp edges. And what is the functioning of the canines? Tearing the food or tearing the food. Yes. Tearing the food. Suppose I will give you sugarcane stem. How can you remove the outer cell in the sugarcane? By means of canines. Or I will give you chicken leg piece. How can you eat that? You can take it by help of the canines. So canines are help in the tearing the food. Next, premolars. Look here. Just beside the incisors, canines, there are the 2 teeth. Number 3, 1, 2. These are the premolars. Means before the molars, that's why they are named as premolars. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the upper jaw also 4. 8 premolars are present. 8 premolars are present. What is the number of premolars are present in the human oral cavity? 8. What is the shape? Blunt and flat. Blunt and flat. Blunt and flat. And they have the grooves also. Yes, you can touch your premolars like with your tongue. Yes, you can touch your premolars with your tongue. You feel as a grooves. Yes, like this groove. This is the groove. So that's why what are these premolars? They help in the chewing or masticating the food. Chewing or masticating the food. Chewing or mastication of the food. Chewing or mastication of the food. Last molars, look here. 1, 2, 3. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 plus 6, 12. 6 on the lower jaw, 6 on the upper jaw. Total, there are 12 molars are present. Last teeth present in the human oral cavity. They are called molars. Molars are the same. Blunt and flat in shape. Blunt and flat in shape. But these molars are help in the grinding. Yes, grinding or shredding. Grinding or shredding. Molars are useful in the grinding and shredding. Yes. what is the molars? Molars are helping the grinding and sliding the food. Yes. In this way, 4 types of the teeth are there. Yes. You know, at what age teeth are formed in the human being? Yes. Listen to me. The age at 4th or 5th month. 4th or 5th month to teeth formation is start in the human being. At what age teeth are formed in the human being? During the childhood, in the infant stage. Means after the birth. At the age of 4th or 5th month to teeth formation will start or onset in the human being. Yes. What are the teeth are formed first? They are called milky teeth. Yes. Milky teeth. Milky teeth are 20 in number. Milky teeth are 20 in number. At the age of 9 years, the milky teeth are drop off. Again, new teeth are formed. These all are called permanent teeth. Permanent teeth are 32. Milky teeth are 20. Permanent teeth are 32. Milky teeth are 20. Permanent teeth are 32. That means in a human being, teeth are formed twice. That's why human being is a dicodont animal. Yes. Human being is a dicodont animal. Dicodont animal. Why? Teeth are formed twice in the human being. Yes. What are the teeth are formed first? They are called milky teeth. And what are the teeth are formed after a drop of this milky teeth? They are called permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Yes. By observing this teeth, you will write the dental formula also. Yes. What is the dental formula of the human being? Dental formula. Yes. Dental formula. Yes. If you take the half upper jaw and half lower jaw. Yes. Look here. How many incisors are there in the? Yes. 1, 2. Yes. 2 incisors are there. Yes. How many canines are there? Only 1 canine. Yes. How many premolars are there? Look here. 1, 2. How many molars are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Next in the lower jaw also. Incisors 1, 2. Canines only 1. Premolars 2. Molars 3. Yes. So teeth and a half upper jaw, teeth and a half lower jaw. 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the dental formula of the human being. What is the dental formula of the human being? 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes, we are able to write this 2 by 2, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. This is also correct only. Yes. Yes, here nothing is there means into. That's why 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. It is the fractional number. This is the numerator. This is the denominator. In the numerator, the dental formula of the human being is 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. In which the numerator representing the teeth present on the half upper jaw. Denominator representing the teeth on lower half jaw. Numerator teeth on half upper jaw. Denominator teeth on lower half jaw. In the numerator, first 2 representing the incisors. Yes, look here. First 2 representing the incisors. 1 representing canines. Second 2 representing premolars. Last 2 representing molars. In the denominator also, first two representing incisors. Yes. One is representing canines. Two is representing the premolars. Three is representing the molars. So the dental form of the human being is 2123 by 2123. Yes, a dental ratio. What is the dental ratio? Yes. Yes, we'll divide 3 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2. That is the dental ratio of the human being. Okay, thank you. We will continue the next class.